Hello, I hope everybody is doing well. So, I thought to talk about 4th December, which is tomorrow, 4th December 2025. Why is it significant and important? First, it's the full moon day, which means that we are going to perform some full moon rituals which are going to cleanse our system, which are going to cleanse our mind, alleviate any thoughts which are weighing us down, and it also gives us an opportunity to again um, pray for our ancestors, our forefathers, our angels, guides, spirits, our gurus, and anybody who is available and present with us in this lifetime on earth or in the astral world, to be precise. And which is why full moon is very important, because it gives us light, it illuminates all night, and it's also a significator that whatever is not working in our lives, it's important that we acknowledge that and we let go, or we get rid of that stuff. We get rid of situations, we get rid of negative thoughts, we get rid of the energy which is not working and weighing us down. We get rid of people as well, because sometimes, no matter how we try, whatever efforts do we make, whatever contributions do we do, um, but something does not work out, something does not connect. And this is why full moon after every fortnight reminds us that it's time that we think that through, and then we find the courage and strength to release of those energies and also make way to welcome the new energies in our lives, which is why full moon has a special significance. Now, with 4th December, not only the full moon, but it's actually the Maa Bhairavi Prakatya Divas, or Maa Bhairavi Invocation Day, that I really want to talk about. Why is that important? Because Maa Bhairavi is one of the 10 Mahavidyas, one of the 10 great incantations of Maa Bhairavi. And the Marg Shira Purnima, or the Marg Shira full moon, which is tomorrow, which falls generally in the month of December or January in winter, Maa Bhairavi first manifested as tapas. Tapas means Shakti, the blazing force behind discipline, courage, and spiritual transformation. And this is also the night when Lord Dattatreya is also believed to be an Adi Guru, and Lord Dattatreya belongs to uh, the suburbs of Maharashtra, where he is also believed to belong to a sampradaya, or a community of the Dattas. And Dattas, as you would read some scriptures and old Vedic uh, books or tantric texts, is believed to be a renowned tantric as well, and a great devotee and sadhak of Shakti. So when Lord Dattatreya realized that the sadhaks, or whosoever is doing the worship of uh, Ma Shakti, during that age or during that time, they felt that the sadhaks were distracted and spiritually weak as well. And that was the time when Lord Dattatreya invoked Shakti. And from that invocation, when he did that invocation, came out Maa Bhairavi. And seeing her Lord Dattatreya said, "You are Bhairavi, she who awakens in a fire, she who purifies, disciplines, strengthens, and illuminates. Appear in the world whenever tapas or Shakti declines." And Maa Bhairavi responded that on Magshira Purnima, when Soma is full, Soma means the energy or light of the moon, and minds turn inward because full moons are believed to be uh, an auspicious time to go within and meditate. And then she continues, "I shall descend upon the hearts of seekers. Seekers here means sadhaks. Whoever worships me on this night shall receive the gift of inner fire, the flame that cannot be extinguished." And this is what I really want to talk about. So, with Maa Bhairavi's Jayanti or Maa Bhairavi's Prakatya Divas, um, let's do the chanting, let's chant her mantra, let's do some meditation, let's light up a diya,